What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of AI with a comparison that's got everyone talking. ChatGPT versus ChatGPT EDU. If you're a tech enthusiast, a student, or an educator, you definitely want to stick around because this video is tailored for you. We're breaking down the differences between these two powerful language models from OpenAI to help you figure out which one best suits your needs. Now, both ChatGPT and ChatGPT EDU are built on the impressive GPT architecture, but they have distinct flavors when it comes to their purpose and capabilities. Think of it like this. ChatGPT is like your all-around smartphone, great for everyday tasks, while ChatGPT EDU is like a specialized tablet designed specifically for education, packed with tools and features to enhance learning. From target audience and features to accessibility and security, we'll be covering all the key aspects to give you a crystal-clear understanding of these AI powerhouses. So, whether you're looking to streamline your workflow, ace your next assignment, or create engaging learning experiences, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in. First things first, let's talk about who these AI models are designed for. ChatGPT, in all its conversational glory, is meant for a broad audience. We're talking students working on essays, marketers crafting compelling copy, developers troubleshooting code, you name it, ChatGPT has probably lent a helping hand. ChatGPT EDU, on the other hand, hones in on the education sector. Think of it as a virtual tutor and teaching assistant rolled into one. It's designed to empower students of all levels and support educators in creating dynamic and interactive learning environments. Imagine a student struggling with a complex math problem. ChatGPT EDU can provide step-by-step explanations, guide them through practice exercises, and even generate personalized quizzes to solidify their understanding. For educators, ChatGPT EDU is like having a tireless assistant that can help design lesson plans, create engaging learning materials, and even grade assignments, freeing up more time for personalized instruction. But it's not just about students and teachers. ChatGPT EDU also extends its benefits to parents who are actively involved in their children's education. It can be a valuable resource for finding educational games, explaining challenging concepts in an age-appropriate manner, and even facilitating family learning projects. The key takeaway here is that while ChatGPT casts a wide net, ChatGPT EDU dives deep into the specific needs and challenges of the education world. It's about providing tailored solutions and support for students, educators, and parents alike. Now you might be thinking, okay, that makes sense, but what exactly makes ChatGPT EDU so special? What sets it apart from its more general-purpose counterpart? That's a great question, and it leads us perfectly to our next chapter where we'll be exploring the unique features and content enhancements that make ChatGPT EDU a game-changer in the world of education. Alright, let's unlock the treasure chest of features that make ChatGPT EDU a true educational powerhouse. First up, we have content. Imagine having access to a vast library of educational resources, all curated and organized for easy access. ChatGPT EDU taps into a wealth of knowledge, including textbooks, journals, historical documents, and even interactive simulations. It's like having a digital encyclopedia on steroids, always ready to provide context, explanations, and insights across a wide range of subjects. But ChatGPT EDU doesn't just stop at providing information. It helps you understand and apply it. It can generate practice problems tailored to your skill level, offer personalized feedback on your writing, and even engage in role-playing scenarios to help you grasp complex concepts. Speaking of role-playing, one of the coolest features of ChatGPT EDU is its ability to simulate different characters and historical figures. Imagine having a conversation with Albert Einstein about relativity, or debating the finer points of philosophy with Socrates. This immersive approach to learning can make even the most challenging subjects come alive. And let's not forget about creativity. ChatGPT EDU can help students brainstorm ideas for essays, poems, or even scripts. It can provide writing prompts, offer feedback on drafts, and even help with the editing and revision process. But what good is all this amazing content if you can't access it easily, right? Well, that's where ChatGPT EDU really shines. It seamlessly integrates with popular learning management systems, LMS, like Google Classroom and Canvas, making it incredibly convenient for educators to incorporate it into their existing workflows. And because we all learn in different ways, ChatGPT EDU offers a variety of content formats. Whether you prefer reading text, watching videos, listening to audio explanations, or engaging in interactive exercises, ChatGPT EDU has something for everyone. So as you can see, ChatGPT EDU is not just a souped-up version of ChatGPT. It's a thoughtfully designed educational tool packed with features and content aimed at making learning more engaging, effective, and enjoyable for everyone involved. Okay, so we've covered the target audience and the awesome features, but where do ChatGPT and ChatGPT EDU actually live? How do you access them? Let's break it down. ChatGPT, being the more general-purpose tool, is all about convenience and flexibility. You can access it through a web browser on your computer, laptop, tablet, or even your smartphone. That means you can have a conversation with ChatGPT anytime, anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. Now, ChatGPT EDU takes a slightly different approach, focusing on integration with educational platforms and tools. You'll often find it seamlessly embedded within learning management systems, LMS, used by schools and universities. This makes it super convenient for teachers to assign ChatGPT EDU-powered activities and for students to access them directly within their familiar learning environment. But don't worry, ChatGPT EDU isn't confined to the walls of academia. It's also available as a standalone app that you can download on your devices. This gives students the flexibility to learn on the go, whether they're at home, at the library, or even on the bus. And here's a cool thing about ChatGPT EDU's integration. It can often sync with other educational apps and tools. For example, if a student is using a math learning app like Khan Academy, ChatGPT EDU can access their progress and tailor its responses and suggestions accordingly. This kind of personalized learning experience is where AI starts to get really exciting. Now let's talk about the user experience. Both ChatGPT and ChatGPT EDU are designed with user-friendliness in mind. Their interfaces are clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. You basically type in your questions or requests, and the AI responds in a conversational manner. But here's a key difference. ChatGPT EDU often incorporates more interactive elements into its responses. Think drag-and-drop exercises, multiple-choice quizzes, and even virtual simulations. This gamified approach to learning can make the experience more engaging and fun for students, especially those who might find traditional learning methods a bit dry. So, whether you prefer the flexibility of a web-based platform or the seamless integration of an LMS, both ChatGPT and ChatGPT EDU are designed to be accessible and easy to use. And with their mobile app versions, learning on the go has never been easier. Now let's talk about a crucial aspect, especially in an educational context: privacy and security. When it comes to using AI tools, especially those that involve personal information or student data, it's essential to know that your information is handled responsibly. Both ChatGPT and ChatGPT EDU take data security seriously, employing industry-standard encryption protocols to protect your information during transmission and storage. This means that your conversations, personal details, and any data you share with the AI are kept confidential and protected from unauthorized access. But ChatGPT EDU goes the extra mile by adhering to strict educational privacy regulations. It complies with regulations like FERPA, Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, in the United States, and similar laws in other countries. This ensures that student data is handled with the utmost care and used only for educational purposes. Furthermore, ChatGPT EDU often undergoes rigorous audits by third-party security experts to identify and address any potential vulnerabilities. This commitment to ongoing security assessments provides an extra layer of assurance for educators, parents, and students alike. Another important aspect of privacy in an educational setting is data ownership and control. With ChatGPT EDU, schools and educational institutions typically have clear policies regarding data ownership and access. This means that they retain control over student data and can set limits on how it's used and shared, if at all. ChatGPT EDU also prioritizes transparency. It provides clear and concise privacy policies that outline exactly what data is collected, how it's used, and for what purpose. This transparency allows educators and parents to make informed decisions about using the AI tool and address any concerns they might have. Now, while both ChatGPT and ChatGPT EDU have robust security measures in place, it's always a good practice to be mindful of the information you share. Avoid disclosing sensitive personal details that are not necessary for the AI to perform its function. Remember, when it comes to privacy and security, especially in an educational context, it's always better to err on the side of caution. Choose AI tools that prioritize these aspects and provide transparency about their data handling practices. Alright, let's talk about making these AI tools work for you. Both ChatGPT and ChatGPT EDU offer a degree of customization, but they go about it in slightly different ways. With ChatGPT, you can fine-tune its responses by providing context and instructions. For example, you can tell it, "You are a helpful assistant that provides concise answers," or "You are a creative writer who uses vivid imagery." This helps guide the AI's tone and style to better suit your needs. ChatGPT EDU takes customization up a notch with features specifically designed for educators. Teachers can set parameters and restrictions to align with their curriculum and teaching methods. For instance, they can limit the AI's responses to a particular reading level, restrict access to certain topics, or even control the types of questions it can answer. This level of control is essential for ensuring that ChatGPT EDU complements and enhances the learning experience without becoming a crutch or a shortcut. It allows educators to strike a balance between providing support and encouraging critical thinking. Furthermore, ChatGPT EDU often provides templates and frameworks to help educators get started with different lesson plans and activities. Need to create a quiz on the American Revolution? ChatGPT EDU has got you covered. Looking for inspiration for a creative writing prompt? ChatGPT EDU can offer a bunch of engaging ideas. And for students who need a little extra guidance, ChatGPT EDU can offer personalized learning paths based on their strengths and weaknesses. It can adjust the difficulty level of questions, suggest additional resources, and even track progress over time. But customization isn't just about control, it's also about personalization. ChatGPT EDU allows users to create profiles and save their preferences. This means that students can customize the AI's tone and communication style to their liking. So, whether you're an educator looking to tailor the AI to your specific curriculum or a student who wants a more personalized learning experience, both ChatGPT and ChatGPT EDU provide the tools and flexibility to make it happen. Now, even with the smartest AI by your side, you might have questions or need a helping hand from time to time. That's where robust support and resources come in. Both ChatGPT and ChatGPT EDU offer various avenues for getting assistance. You'll typically find comprehensive help centers with FAQs, tutorials, and troubleshooting guides on their websites. These resources are often searchable, making it easy to find answers to specific questions or issues you might encounter. But ChatGPT EDU often goes a step further by providing dedicated support channels for educators. This might include email support, phone consultations, or even live chat with educational specialists who understand the unique challenges of integrating AI into the classroom. Moreover, ChatGPT EDU often fosters a strong community of educators who can connect, share best practices, and learn from each other's experiences. This might take the form of online forums, webinars, or even in-person workshops. Being part of a community can be incredibly valuable for staying up to date on the latest features, troubleshooting tips, and creative ways to use the AI tool effectively. And let's not forget about professional development. ChatGPT EDU providers often offer training sessions and certification programs specifically designed for educators. These programs can help teachers deepen their understanding of the AI, explore its capabilities, and develop strategies for integrating it seamlessly into their teaching practices. Now, beyond direct support channels, both ChatGPT and ChatGPT EDU benefit from a wealth of online resources. Think blog posts, articles, video tutorials, and even social media groups dedicated to exploring and maximizing the potential of these AI tools. So, whether you're a teacher with a technical question or a student looking for creative inspiration, rest assured that there's a wealth of support and resources available to guide you on your AI journey. So, there you have it, a comprehensive look at ChatGPT versus ChatGPT EDU. We've covered everything from target audience and features to accessibility, privacy, customization, and support. As we've seen, both of these AI tools are incredibly powerful and have the potential to transform the way we learn and teach. ChatGPT, with its versatility and broad appeal, is an excellent tool for anyone looking to explore the world of AI and enhance their productivity. ChatGPT EDU, on the other hand, dives deep into the specific needs of education, providing a tailored and secure environment for students, educators, and parents alike. Ultimately, the best choice for you depends on your individual needs and goals. But no matter which AI you choose, one thing's for sure: the future of learning is here, and it's incredibly exciting. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI.